you guys, thank you for coming back to my channel. As you can see from the title, I am dyeing my hair once again. I never was feeling this color. Normally it takes me about a week and then I'm like, okay, it's cute. But I just really wasn't feeling this color, but I didn't want to dye it too soon. So I decided from previous, if you guys are my like day one people, y'all know that I used to have like a burgundy kind of color in my hair and I loved it. But now I just want to be a little daring. So good thing is it's a semi-permanent. And you know, y'all, I like my ion. And it is the color red. So this is the Brights line. And I am not going to use developer. I know they say you can use a highlighter powder, but I just don't even want to go that route. I'm just gonna put it in like I used to do back in the day when I did my demi dyes, and that's however it comes out is gonna come out. So I don't want to put too much stuff in my hair, developer and all that. I just don't want to do that. I'll put it in the description box of how often you need to do another application, or you can just let it fade out, grow your hair out, whatever. Of course, it won't stay that same color. Eventually, it'll kind of look probably a little darker. But however you want to do it, it's fine by me. Now let's get to the video. So you're definitely going to need some gloves. You're going to need gloves because you don't want your fingers and fingernails red. It takes forever to get that stuff off. You're going to need a shower cap. Well, you don't have to have a shower cap, but it's good to have one. And you can probably, if you're not putting any developer or anything, you probably just take it straight from the tube, and this is how the tube looks. You can probably take it straight from the tube, but I have my bowl, and I like to just kind of mix it. Normally I use developer, that's what's crazy. I'm just not gonna do that today. I'm not sure why. And to be honest, if y'all seen any of my other videos, I never freshly wash it. I refuse to just wash my hair and let it air dry, then put the dye in it. Whatever. This works for me. Y'all can talk about me in the comments. I don't care. You guys are usually pretty nice. But, so this is like dirty hair, as you can see. I have gel and everything in it. I haven't decided whether I'm going to just dye it where this dye starts, if I'm gonna go right to the roots. But I'm the type of girl that I kind of like the dark roots. But because my roots are dark, this is not gonna be that bright in it. It shouldn't be. Okay, you don't have to stir that. I'm just doing this just because I normally do it when I have developer. That's just what I'm doing. I'm just kind of smoothing it out, so it's not necessary to do this. Okay, so that is all you have to do. make sure you use the clips that you don't mind getting dye on. See, I already have dye on these clips, so because that stuff don't be coming out. Want to let this sit for about 20 to 40 minutes. You can apply some heat, so I might sit under my hooded dryer. I'm not sure yet. Most of the time I just let it sit. All right, you guys, I did not get under my hooded dryer. I just sat here for about 30 minutes, maybe a little longer, and I think I'm gonna go ahead and rinse it out. I think it's to my liking. I think it's gonna be more like a burgundy, kind of like it was like garnet that I had in my hair the last time, but we'll see. It is truly messy. I had red dye all in my ears. My bathroom, like the tub looked like a massacre, like a bloody massacre. It was just crazy. I'm still soaking my tub. It came off of most spots pretty easy, but like the tub area and where the caulk was, it just, I'm soaking it. But when I poured bleach on it, it was coming off. So I think bleach is the trick. Whew. But are you guys ready to see? Ooh, I don't really know how this looks because I kind of looked in the mirror, but I really couldn't tell because my hair is very wet. But this actually turned out really, really pretty. Really pretty. Oh my goodness. This is really cute. I don't know, you guys. What do y'all think? I like it. I think my hair styles look really cute with it. I've always been that type of red kind of burgundy girl. And I really think it just came out really, really pretty. You can see it. I didn't add any developer. Now, of course, I did have lighter dye in my hair, so that played a part. As you can see, the darker hair did not dye as much. So it plays a part of how light your hair is. So if you really, really want to use the highlighter, I recommend that if your hair is really dark. But yeah, really pretty. So the lighter your hair is, of course, it will show up. The red will show up. I don't know, you guys. What do y'all think? What do y'all think? Comment down below. Tell me what you think about this color. Check my other video out. It will be coming out right after this video. It's me flat ironing my hair so you can really, really see the color, but I don't even think I need to do that because the color is there. Like, honey, you see it.